Yes, sir. What's happening? What's happening? We back, man. Thanks for tuning in again. Um, yeah, we back. I'm just doing a wavelength temp fade on my man right here, Kurt. Long time customer, man. We always have, once again, great conversation. It's always gonna be something. So with him, I do appointments, but I normally do 30 minutes appointment. But anytime he calls, I have to do an hour because it normally takes an hour to get through the haircut, just with conversation, not just between he and I, but the whole shop. Kurt always got something, something on his mind, and we just go back and forth, man, just talking about whatever. But yeah, enjoy. What you doing on that, man?
We're talking, man.
Man, come on, man. He going back. He gonna be more than 60 days. What we gonna do, Kurt?
Tip it down.
Tip it and lay it down?
Yeah.
Shit, yeah. Oh, he Kimmy County. You damn right you saw him. Man, hold on, man. Hold on, man. Hell no. Man.
I know they doing it in Henry County.
That's him?
Yeah.
So what, Kurt?
So what? You know they doing the new that show on
No, please.
Watch it. Unreal, man.
I was going to intro you when I saw it.
Unreal. Oh, that was too funny, man. So back at it, man. What I'm doing here is just combing through again, loosen up his hair, make sure there's no scalps or scabs or anything in the person's hair. Just loosen up, getting his pattern going, and then from there, we just gonna start cutting, man. But you see, with Kurt, it's always gonna be some kind of get up out the chair, halfway laughing, but it's fun, man. We need it. Everybody needs a little laughter, but yeah, just enjoy it, man.
Where was I going, I want to say? Yeah, that was 2 weeks ago.
Unreal, right?
We got locked up abroad on Terry Boulevard. How the hell you get locked up abroad?
Crazy, man.
That's a classic right there, sir.
It's a classic.
You can't get that out of the phone.
That's an instant classic. Yes, sir. So once again, man, I'm just stroking with the grain, the grade, I think it's called the grain, the flow of his hair. And see, he had, natural waves up under there. So I'm just flowing with it, man. I hit him with the left hand on this side. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, okay, well, there you go. I just flipped it back to the right. And I'm just going with the grain. You know what I'm saying? His hair's going that way. So, of course, I wouldn't cut straight down. You always just want to follow the pattern, man. Like I said in the last video, if you watched it, just flow with it, man. And, just keep it going. Yeah. Yeah, so what I'm doing is, I guess I threw it back in my lefty, and I'm just still following the pattern, man. Just getting them even, laying them down nice and smooth. That's how you want it. Now, of course, y'all, I guess I'll show another video when you cut against the grain of the hair. Of course, you cut it lower. A lot of times you cut out the wave pattern. Just depends on how low you go. But sometimes you can cut against the grain and still keep the wave pattern, but you have to use like a bigger guard, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm just stroking it, laying it down again. I don't even know how many times I do this. I guess it's the second time. And as I see the hair come off and where we at, then, you know, I go on to the next step. Yep.
These days, man, I be seeing so many little vlogs, they be going in that hood and stuff. And these niggas get online.
Everybody, but that's all they know, Kurt.
You need to get on camera.
All that.
And these niggas walk around in Cleveland Avenue, it's YSL, blah, blah. I'm like, y'all niggas is dumb.
That's what that lady said. You gotta get out my counter. She actually read a lyric. Pull up in a black car, kick the door in. She said, y'all tell on yourself in a song. She said, I'm gonna use that against you. Free legal advice, don't tell on yourself. I mean, because see, motherfuckers rap so much till you can't make up shit no more. Right. Now you got to rap reality. Right. You know what I'm saying? But ain't no more slick Rick fairy tale shit.
Not only that, if you say something and if that shit line up with what really happened at that time frame, it's like,
it does, yeah.
We just gonna pin it on you then.
But they said, so the other crew that they robbed hear it. That's how they say it in the lyrics.
Right,
They talking about, oh, you know, they robbed Big Rich, you know, they robbed Big Rob, them, they saying this shit in the song. That's why so much violence. I mean, they actually telling you, that was us, nigga, that came through there and took your shit, blah, 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 come get it. You know, that type shit.
Yeah, one of the little young niggas.
No. Well, yeah, but no. No, they don't need that shit, man, because they ain't gonna be number poor people now.
Yeah, Jersey got it.
Huh? Well, I don't know, but there ain't gonna be nobody but poor folk in there playing, so it's just gonna cripple the state even more.
I was about to say, but you take away state tax, you way back my pocket.
Yeah, but the state tax don't really, they hit you that hard, do they?
If you want, like last time I paid no tax.
Yeah, but they robbing though. But it's just gonna hurt.
I was about to say, but you realize that the tax is about 25% of your income.
Not state tax.
State tax is still about 12%.
Yeah, I don't know. State don't hit you too hard though. I pay that and stuff. See, I don't even gamble, but I would hate to see that come. I mean, because there ain't gonna be number poor people. That's an addiction.
People can't stop gambling. People can't. Like,
You bring cocaine. You bring.
I was about to say, so I just go look at Vegas crime rate.
Well, that's Vegas. They
Go look
need
at
that
Vegas crime
shit.
rate. Go look at Reno crime rate. Look at what's that in New York? On the little bay. Wherever.
Jersey, whatever. New Jersey, Atlantic City, all that shit.
Atlantic City, yeah. Look at their crime rate. For Atlantic City?
See, I don't know what their crime rate. What's the crime rate?
Look at the crime rate.
What is it? High or low? What you saying?
I don't know. I ain't looked up.
Oh, I thought.
I was saying look it up and we can.
Well, I don't know about the crime rate.
It's already crime here, so you add gambling to it, you're gonna have a worse situation.
Atlantic City is in the middle of the slum.
Which makes sense.
What's the crime rate?
But the deal is
I'm gonna look it up real quick.
the folk that's gonna be in there are folk that's trying to come up. And ain't nothing but the poor people trying to come up. They ain't gonna never come up.
Man, people ain't got that kind of
Disposable money.
They ain't got something.
Yeah, so what I'm doing right here, man, I'm just getting the back of his nape area. I'm just fading him out with the naked blade, I think. Let me see what I'm doing. Is it coming up? Yeah, it's coming up now. I just got them open. And I'm just using a couple of teeth on the edge of the blade just to get the lines out and just make it flow, man. And yeah, but we're just having a conversation about casinos coming to Georgia. I think it's a bad idea because it's just really going to be another tax on the poor people that don't have any disposable income to even gamble with. But anyway, I don't gamble, but it's just a good conversation to have, and whatever happens, happen. But I just hope it don't come to Georgia. We got enough vices here to, keep Georgia people good and poor. All right. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just fading out the neck. And my apologies for not showing y'all the side temp, but if you watch the other video, it's the same thing. All right, got a dead spot going to my station. What I'm doing here, brushing them off. I think I'm about to start lining them up. But yeah, we'll see where we at. Yep.
Even if you thought you got lucky, you done lost so much in the past.
And you coming back tomorrow, because you're a junkie.
Yeah, Georgia don't need it. Just like
Georgia
California don't need it.
We got our own, Yep, so what I'm doing here, man, is just lining up his left side with my left hand. I'm what you call ambidextrous, if that's the right word for that. Just line them up, man. I only use clippers, once again. I don't use razors. I don't use colors. I try to stay as close to a person's natural hairline as possible, not unless they tell me something else. But the majority of people don't want their hairline pushed back. So I just stay natural, man, because back when I started cutting hair, the hairline was everything. And in Atlanta, man, you push your hairline back, you might ready to ball your fists up and get ready to fight. So it's just always stuck with me. I just try to go natural. But once again, the only way a hairline can be natural is if you don't touch it at all. So, but I just try to stay with as close to natural as possible. But yeah.
It's a baby Vegas.
Good for
That's all they got. They don't have nothing else.
But I ain't talking about the crime rate. I'm talking about your financial rate. Fuck the crime. Ain't
You can't bring a casino to a crime-infested area.
Yeah, so what I'm doing here is I'm just cleaning the temp back up. Just balling that at the bottom. Guess I just need to adjust this. Hold on. All right, so that's better to look at. So yeah, I'm just coming back, rounding them up again, and just getting them cleaned up. I'm just holding his head with my hand. Normally I don't have my hand on the person's head, but I know he's talking and moving, so I can feel his vibe and see where he's moving to. So around to the back, just get back here, clean them on up, And anytime you line up somebody in the back, the skin, I've learned through the years, and on the back of your neck, of course, it's not as tough as the skin that's on your forehead. So you really have to go a little lighter on the back. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And yeah, just enjoy it, man. And that's all. I'm done talking. Voiceover is done. And hey, here come the finished product, man. Peace.